Hi guys, I'm opening my gift, so I decided to show you. These are some Shopkins, and you could, this is a first class jet. And on the back, it says, welcome aboard to Shopkins Air. The Shopkins are ready to take off on a world vacation and want you to come along for the ride. Board the Shopkins jet. Load your luggage into the overhead compartment, then sit back and relax in high-flying style as Shopkins serve up a flight full fun. We really wish you were here, Shopkins fans from all over the world. So you can rotate seats for extra comfort. Holds 3 jet-setting Shoppies, and it includes 3, including Shopkins. Captain Zoom, right here. Hey, I'm Captain Zoom. You also have Lynn Flight Meal right here. And last but not least, we have Fizzy Soda.
Do you want that up?
Right here.
Do you want that up?
Here's the tray for the food. So we're gonna put Fizzy Soda and Lynn Flight Meal in there. And here we have 2 luggage bags. I want to go to Europe. Okay, I'm going to go in the plane. Ooh. Okay, ready to go. Hello, passengers. This is Captain Zoom. I will be your pilot. Ooh, food. Yummy. Oopsies. I kind of made a mess, Captain Zoom. Well, too bad. You could clean it up. I'll leave in a few minutes to give you time. Okay. I'm gonna clean up all of this. And your bandana. Oh, this is the worst flight ever. This is horrible service. In fact, I don't feel like paying. Well, then I'm gonna call the cops. Okay. Here's $5. Okay. Are you done cleaning the mess? Yep. Okay, sit back and relax and enjoy the ride. Another mess? Ugh. I just finished relaxing. Well, I don't think I'm ever going on this type of plane again. But we're the only plane in Shopville. No! Well, on the way back, I'm not taking you. But there's no other choice. I'm your favorite plane rider. Permanently. What? I never. At least my luggage is safe. Well, bye-bye, rude plane driver. And your things break too? Well, I'm just gonna leave it there. You don't deserve my help. And your stuff. Hi guys, I'm back here from the plane video. So, I'm here to tell you a bit more. Now, the Pinkie Cola set was sold separately from this. The Pinkie Cola set also had this bandana in it, as you already saw. Of course, it had Pinkie Cola. It had a passport too. And in the passport, there's a cute picture and there's a passport number, a secret number. And there was a suitcase. These two were hiding in the suitcase. The passport was hiding in the suitcase also. So, now that I'm done with the Pinkie Cola set, let me tell you about the plane set. The rest of it came with the plane. I have to do this whole thing. The rest came with it. And these two came with it too, but I just didn't include it in the video. But you can subscribe to me and I'll have more videos out soon. So, bye.